Stormboard's reports allow you to take all of the data in your storm and turn it into a document that can be used as meeting minutes, presentations, and more. The Microsoft Word report is a detailed report that you can customize to be as robust or as streamlined as you prefer. On top of the sections you choose, every report will also include a table of contents and a cover page. Use this report as meeting minutes, as an archive of your meeting progress, or as a comprehensive project report. It can be edited and shared with your coworkers, employees, management, stakeholders, or executive team. You can add it to the storm, download, or print it as well. The Microsoft Excel report is compiled in a spreadsheet and can include one or all of these categories: statistics, storm data, including ideas and index cards, comments, chat, connectors, and votes. The report gathers all of your data and organizes it into a series of spreadsheets, charts, and graphs. This is a great way to analyze your ideas, the participation of your team, and more. This report can also be useful for exporting data into your other business tools. Once you're finished reviewing your report in your storm, you can choose to download a copy to edit or add it to your storm to share with your team. The Microsoft PowerPoint report creates PowerPoint slides for each section of your storm. Use this report to give presentations on your progress to other teams, managers, executives, or stakeholders. Once you're finished reviewing the report, you can download a copy to edit on your computer or add the report to your storm to share with your team. Like the Microsoft Word report, the Google Docs report is a detailed document that you can customize to be as robust or as streamlined as you prefer. Your report is generated in a Google Doc that you can edit right in the panel it opens in while you're in your storm. You can review the document in your storm, open it in Drive so that you can edit and customize it, or add it to the storm so that you can share it with your team members, management, stakeholders, or executive team. The Google Sheets report is compiled in a Google spreadsheet and can include as many or as few of the available categories that you like. Like with the Microsoft Excel report, this report gathers all of your data and organizes it in a series of spreadsheets, charts, and graphs, which you can use to analyze your ideas, the participation of your team members, and more. You can edit this report right in the panel it opens in, open it in Google Drive for further customization, or add it to your storm once you've finished reviewing it. Like the Microsoft PowerPoint report, the Google Slides report creates slides for each section of your storm. You can review and edit the slides in the panel that opens in your storm. Use this report to give presentations on your progress to other teams, managers, executives, or stakeholders. You can open this report in Google Drive or add it to your storm.